welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for August the 6th through August the 10th through August the 16th. And you know, we're going to start with the Lover bonus Sag for those of you who are in a beautiful, beautiful romantic bond. Spot check. Yes, for you lovebirds. Angels, what are the, what are the energies around you lovebirds? We have maturity and play. Okay, so is that not an oxymoron? Yes, it is. I feel that this week you're going to go from one extreme to the next in your love relationship. There's going to be some seriousness to your love relationship and equally playfulness. So, yes, enjoy. Maybe there's some serious conversations that need to be had, but make sure you play after. Okay, all right. So, positive energy for the single Sages. What's the love energy, angels? What is the love energy for single Sages for? Yes. Thank you. There we are. I feel like, let's get into this. This is a little bit deep here. Angels, positive energy. We have life purpose when it comes to love, when it comes to romance, manifestation, life purpose, and travel. I feel like there are some changes that you're adjusting to your list of what you want in your relationship, in your love relationship. It's almost like you're matching up your life purpose with that person, that perfect person that you're looking for. Let's say your life purpose has to do with healing. You're a healer, you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're a physical therapist, you're a masseuse, whatever it is. I feel like you're wanting someone in your world to share your world, to maybe do the same type of work that you do, or maybe you want the same things that you do. Maybe you want 10 kids and you want somebody who wants 10 kids. I know, right? But whatever it is, apply it to your list where it fits, okay? All right, so Sag, let's get into your general message for the week. Positive energy. We're looking for Sag. Positive energy for 7 little days for Sagittarius. Come on, angels. Thank you. Positive energy for Sag. For 7 little days. Moving on to the Angels deck. Angels, we're looking for some positive energy, please. High vibrations. Oh, that stays there. Yes, it does. Moving on to the new deck for Sagittarius. Positive energy, please. Positive energy. Thank you, and thank you. Yes, and yes, there we go. Moving on to, yes, the purple deck. Angels and guys, positive energy, please. Positive. Thank you. Yes. For Sagittarius, what's going on? For Sagittarius, moving on to, I feel, yes, the Angels of Light deck. And you're like, how many decks, Dora? Well, just a few. I'm going to say just a few. Angels, positive energy, high vibrations. We're looking for joy. Yes, we are. We're looking for joy and love. Thank you, angels. I appreciate that. That was like right on cue. Now, we need to tidy up a bit because we always top off our messages with the hummingbird decks. Yeah, thank you, angels. You know, I see you, angels. You are here with us tonight. Yes, you are. Yes, you guys are. Positive energy, please. Thank you. Yes and yes. Okay, so are we ready, Sag, to get right into your message? Positive energy, please. Okay, here we go. Major theme for the week is the Temperance card reversed. Yeah. All is well. Yes. Five of acorns. Five of crystals, yes. Recognition and reward. Angel of radiance. 10 of spades. Queen of clubs. So I feel like your patience has run out. Yes, your patience has run out. And you know what? That is okay. That is truly okay. I feel like with the challenge card, with the ace of acorns and the five of crystals, I feel like, okay, so your patience has run out. But I feel like you got a little bit more left. Just an itty bitty little bit more left, way in the corner. And I feel like you will be rewarded for that extra little bit of patience that you do have. Yes, with the Angel of Radiance, you will definitely be happy that you did, because you're looking good now. With the Ten of Spades, there's so much success around having that patience. With the Queen of Clubs, you already knew it. Yes, you did. You knew if you just had a little bit more patience that everything was going to turn out in your favor. Now, when we look in the recent past, we have the Ace of Swords reversed with the outdoors, the Page of Shells, yes, and Suffering in Silence, Angel of Sensuality, Six of Hearts, and the Ace of Spades. So in the recent past, with the Ace of Swords reversed, I definitely feel like you were thinking about something. It was almost like, gosh, you were just thinking and thinking and thinking. You didn't necessarily do anything about it, but you definitely were thinking. With the outdoors card, I definitely feel like there was a sense of you were a bit detached from it, right? With the you were detached about it, and you're like, but what was I thinking about? I don't know. What were you thinking about? But whatever it was, I feel like you kind of let it go. You're like, just let it go, right? But it kept coming back to you, whatever that was on your mind. You were suffering in silence, but it was kind of like, because there was something like gnawing at you but it was only gnawing at you. It was only bothering you. With the Angel of Sensuality, you felt like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to let this go. I can't worry about this anymore. And with the Six of Hearts, I feel like you let that go emotionally for a bit, but it was still there. It was still like deep down inside, right? It was deep down inside. Now, that was in the recent past. Now, in the middle of the week, Sag, you have the Knight of Wands with the Spread Your Wings and the Three of Acorns, the Authority card. Yes. We have the Angel of Creativity, the Angel of Healing. There's a lot of angel cards here. Angel of Choice, the Angel of Serenity, Jack of Diamonds, and the Queen of Diamonds. So in the middle of the week, I definitely feel there's something coming towards you. There's something or someone, an action coming towards you. Open up, spread your wings to receive whomever this is or whatever this is. I feel like you already know it's coming anyway, right? With the Authority card, I definitely feel that you are setting boundaries on whoever or whatever is coming into your world. With the Angel of Creativity, this is going to be something handled in a way that you typically don't handle things. With the Angel of Healing, I definitely feel like this is an opportunity to smooth some things out. This is definitely your choice to do this or not, but I feel that you will, because there's some serenity, there's some security of mind attached to this with this energy. And I feel like this energy it's very creative, it's very youthful with the Queen of Diamonds, but nonetheless, you are still in charge of this. It's a little bit of an agitation around it, but I see you still being totally in charge of whomever or whatever is coming your way. Oh yeah, you make sure you set some boundaries on this thing or this situation, okay? Don't let it run amok in your life, okay? Now, when we look at the end of the week, we have the Nine of Pentacles with Hello from Heaven, the Hangman. Yes, that's a good thing. Especially followed up by Prosperity Begins with the Angel of Masculinity, the Two of Hearts, and the King of Hearts. So by the end of the week, finances are definitely looking good. You're definitely feeling okay. All right, just okay. With the hello from heaven, you're feeling like, oh, thank you, Jesus, thank you, angels, right? With the hangman card, you're like, I want this to stay. I want this to hang around. Prosperity begins. Things definitely begin to get even better. Yes, yes, yes. With the angel of masculinity, you are now feeling more in control of your life. With the two of hearts, I definitely feel like there is someone in your world that you are, yes, maybe you're responsible for, and you're looking pretty darn good right now. Okay, now when we look at your bonus, Sag, you have the Page of Swords, yes, 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 the Five of Cups reversed with the Strength card and the Victory card and the Knight of Crystals. Yes, yes, yes. Stand your ground. You are, this is a week for you to put your crown on, okay? With the Angel of Grace, but do it with love. With the Two of Clubs and the Three of Hearts. So I feel like there has been the Page of Swords. Someone has made a promise to you, and I feel like maybe they didn't fulfill their promise. Maybe just sometimes people just talk, but sometimes they just don't mean it. You know that old saying, oh, when you're in town, look me up, but they don't really mean it. You're kind of like that, right? But I see you now focusing on things that are bringing you security and bringing you strength. You are now feeling victorious. Yes, yes, yes. You have a lot of determination now, Sag. You are, standing your ground with the Angel of Grace. Even though you are being all powerful in this situation, you're still giving grace in the situation. But make no mistake, you're wearing your crown, okay? With the Two of Clubs, I see you having conversations, and I see you having conversations with the Two of Hearts, Three of Hearts, with multiple people about the situation, okay? Now, I definitely feel like maybe someone's coming to visit, maybe somebody's moving in, maybe you're moving in with someone, but I just feel like whatever the situation is, you hold you're making the rules. You're deciding what this is. It might have something to do with more than one person. With the Three of Hearts, you might feel like maybe you have two people or two energies kind of, they both need you. They both, like they see that you're successful, they see that you have it going on, and I see you having conversations with these people. But nonetheless, whatever this is, whomever is coming into your world this week, I feel like you're just standing your ground. That's all I'm picking up. You're standing your ground, and it's good. It's like you're going to have to make the rules, and it's good for you to make the rules, okay? So do that, okay, Sag? So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.